Blessed is the man that walk not in the house of the ungodly, or sit up in the seat of the scornful. How pleasant it is to have life. How joyful it is to wake up to see another day. My kings and queens, lion and lioness, remember you don't have to have a Bible to pray. See? Yeah, man. And the next thing I say, just always be grateful. No matter if you play it empty or you play it full, just be grateful. Yeah, man.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know me always I say, health over wealth. And your health is your wealth. So you take care of it. See? Yes. Now today we have two more reasoning with. Well, one is an information and also one is an incident that took place last week Saturday. You get what I say? Yeah. Vaccine trial in Oxford, England University has put on hold because it faulty. The volunteer fell ill after she has been injected. And also, violence and crime in London. When are the youth going to put it behind? More after the break.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
My name is Lionfoot and I'm representing for Uppercut Barbers. Uppercut Barbers, they are very experienced and professional. Any style you want you can get, and I can guarantee you if it's the first time, you won't have no regrets. And there's a real Ferdinand the big ball come get him ear cut. You hear me, I say, man? Uppercut Barbers, them on a Romed, who's part them locate. Now Nonhead 42 Nonhead Lane, SE15 3QF. So link them up now. You hear me, I say, man? Uppercut Barbers, yo, I say them wicked and wild, versatile and full of style. Them cater for adults and child. You hear me, I say, man? Link them up now. Uppercut Barbers, yeah, man. Stuart, big up. Peter, big up. Shane, you hear me, I say, man? Uppercut Barbers and them. I do the thing right now. See? Them, I do the thing right now. Lionfoot said that. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man. You know, global human reduction, you know. First more, give a shout out to Joe. Welcome to the Lionfoot family. And I mean, I met Joe yesterday and, you know, he must say, yo, he recognized me. He must say, wait, you're a YouTuber, eh? I say, yeah, man, Lionfoot. The man say, yeah, man, I was just looking at your thing and look at that. I buck you up in the streets. So big up Joe. We had a positive reasoning and, you know. But first, I'm going to highlight my viewers and subscribers. As you can see on the screen, Oxford and AstraZeneca COVID vaccine trial is put on hold for a safety reason after a British volunteer had a serious reaction that could have been caused by the injection. So you know, say that could have been caused by the injection. So I'm not telling you the injection in about. We know the injection. See, so them put it on hold. And I mean, as you know, they are working on the vaccine to try to find a vaccine. And them say England is the main place, out of everywhere, England is the safest place, or the more reliable place to come up with one. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and lioness, I'm going to read a little part from the paragraph. I saw it in an article from one of the Daily Mail in London. You know? Yeah, and it says, Phase 3 trials for the coronavirus vaccine being developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca have been placed on hold after a serious adverse event was reported in a participant in the UK. So the person who volunteered to take part in the trial by getting juked by the vaccine, you know, fell ill, and now they must don't know if it is life-threatening or, you know, but the participant is likely to be recovered. But while the person is brave, and them not reveal the person's identity, you know what I mean? If it's a he or a she. While I say them brave and see them vaccine thing, When they put the look microchip in them, you know. And it is unclear what the exact nature of the reaction was, but a person familiar with the matter told Stat News that the person is expected to recover. Trial holds are not uncommon, but it is a blow to worldwide hopes for a shot to be ready in the coming months. So they must say it's a big blow for, worldwide right now, because all would say yes, the vaccine is on track. You know what I mean? Them soon get it soon ready. It's a big blow for them, you know, you see me? Yeah, boy, the day nice, you see the sun shine, and I tell you, say, yo, my balcony, I'm up and sit down, you know. And look at glare in the background, I don't like it, you see me? Yeah, so that's including the World Health Organization to be the leading candidate worldwide. The UK's Health Secretary Matt Hancock said earlier this week he hoped it could be rolled out in the first few months of 2021. That not happen. And Australia, for example, has spent $1.7 billion to secure access to a supply of 84 million COVID-19 vaccine, should the clinical trial be a success. So you want to say Australia are ready and invest, have put up the money, 1.7 billion for how much vaccines for them country. Seeing them plus other country and other country. It's a money making thing, you know. It's a money making thing. Why? Hence why them expose, reveal, let go, let loose. You know what I mean? Them CV-19, you see me? Yes, that's how they're wicked to mankind and humanity. No, the thing, the vaccine test that they have right now in England, Oxford and Zeneca, is a co-partner, like a two scientists, you know, England scientists and Zeneca, them scientists, I work together. And them, you know, tell you, England right now is the most leading place to have the vaccine ready to supply to the world. Because England, you know, them scientists good, you know. You see me? And the thing, so that person ever volunteer to get joke to do the test, fell ill, you know what I mean, and bad reaction, you know. So they have to put the thing on hold right now and do them conclusion and work out why. You get me? But my people, my fellow Jamaicans all over the world, all over against this pandemic, just keep praying, nothing beat prayer, you know? Yeah man, nothing beat prayer, just keep praying. You see me? God at work, you see it, and look at Jamaica right now, we see Kanji Coolness, I talk about him, we pay for everybody, vax, forget joke. How can a man say that? That means that he want the country to get infected. That's why I'm opening it up back and letting make people are coming same way with it, you know? Yeah, the thing is real, you know? It is real, as we say from day one. It is real, and it's an invisible one. Because right now, yesterday my son's school, he's in year 3, and year 5 have to get shut down because, you know, someone has tested positive. They didn't reveal their identity. If it's a student or if it's a tutor, you know what I mean? But they sent out the letter to all parents saying that a year 5 has been positive with COVID, so they had to shut that class down, and, you know, yeah, contact everyone who has been around that person, individual. So everybody will isolate now for 2 weeks. You get me? But all this pandemic is a reason, it's a money making thing. Because when them let them thing right now, the vaccine, there's so much money Australia invests already. So once them say yes, the vaccine is a success, the test has passed, every country going to come with their millions and them trillions. Bigger the population and the more money they're going to spend if you have the vaccine. You know what I mean? I tell you, star. Humanity, you know, humanity, mankind, and mess up Father God world. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, I just want to share that with you. So that's one of the matter today, you know. And you don't know, yeah, the vaccine has put on hold because what? It malfunctioned. And I mean, and the volunteer who volunteered to be injected fell ill right now. They've been hospitalized and bad effect, you know what I mean? Yeah. So it's not a good look for the WHO. Yeah, you know, WHO, the World Health Organization. Yeah, man. BG, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Fireburn, fireburn, fireburn. Next topic now. He sent for her and she cost him his life. She dumped him for the next man. Ended up that's, boy, I mean, I tell a story. This is in London Catford. The whole London. Again, more I say big up Joe because man asked me to raise this matter. And I heard when it happened, you know what I mean? I said, John, it happened in Catford. I don't want to say condolence to the deceased, a Jamaican, you know. I don't know him, but the youth do the act. You know, my friend, I say I know him still, but you get me? I say, boy, why a man can't think before them act? And knife crime and gun crime right now, the youths, them, it's like them now have no road model in the UK, in London. Yeah. We need some of the big man, them, some of the ex-convict, them, you know what I mean, who come out and change them life to help steer the youths them the right way. You know what I mean? You get me? Because right now, violence and crime still an accolade up in our place. It's still a rise. You get me? For the gun crime and stabbing, the young youths, some kill off them one another. You know what I mean? And in Catford right now, that situation, I say, John the man couldn't walk away. It sounds like a premeditated. When I hear two different stories still. You know what I mean? But me say, it's like this brother now, English youth, you know, send for him girls. Take up a girl from Jamaica. Zine. I don't know. Some of the English youth love them Jamaican girl. Whereas if them have Jamaica background, you know what I mean? So take up this girl from Jamaica, boss her, bring her into the country. Zine. And she end up dissing. I don't know how long them together, but the story I hear, I put out. Zine. And this is one of the stories. Say, boy, she dissed him, you know? Left him for a Jamaican, a barber. He's a barber. The brother right there is a barber. See? And the man take away him girl, it's like, the man take away my girl now. Me send for her from Jamaica. See? The girl alive. Bring her, you know. You see me? And she dissed me for her next man. And the next man she dissed me for now, I stop brag and boast by me and show off and show him more than all of them things there and go like him more style, man, you know? Every time you see me, man, show off and I go and say, yo, I'm take with me, girl. So it's like the youth now couldn't take it no more. And must say I walk with all him knife or whatever. Zine, and the middle of the club, and like the same thing I go and show off, thing I go and bounce, man. I take for your girl. And like the youth snap, altercation start. A third party come in and try part the fight. That's why I'm saying enough good for part fight, you know, because sometimes the peacemaker ended up get damaged, lose them life, get stabbed, get cut, get punched. Time and time we see that. So the person where I try part the fight, him get stabbed in the neck. Thank God him got dead. Zine and the youth, we take with the man girl, him dead. Zine, the youth who commit the murder right now. He's a hard working youth. He man who do him 9 to 5 and have him family. Right now, him threw him life away. Zine gone with him kids. Them kids them not going to see him for a long time. Them have to go to prison now, go look for him. Visits. So I said the devil is strong. Yo, my brothers in London and UK and Jamaica, all over, man. And just humble, man, and, you know, I'm gonna try to draw you out, you just hold it, man. Bite your tongue and bite your lip, man, and hold it, man. Walk away, man. Say, Father God, that's how the devil is strong. And just turn a blind eye and walk. Make them say you're the coward, man. Make them say you're the coward, man. Don't make them man draw out, Papa. My sisters, don't make nobody draw out, man. The devil is strong, you know. Enough people just bad mind in our one, see your progress, you know. And them just do anything for draw you if you get in that trouble, you know. And then them laugh and say, yes, I win. You see me? So just ball it out, make them say you're a coward, make them say you're a fool, make them say you're a nerd. You see me? Make them say you're antisocial. That's some role, you know. Because I'm born and live it and see it and understand life. You see? So I'm just sad for hear this, you're going to Catford. You see me? Under this pandemic time, you look at earphone party going and it's like violence still going on. Why we as black people can't live good amongst one another. See, the next story me I hear now is like them there at the club and someone could bouncing up and go on. And then the altercation start. But I don't believe that. I believe at the girl thing. Yeah, come here from the strong source of the girl thing, you know. You see me? I see that now. One dead, one gone. And the next one gone to prison now, gone face life. Because I would say a premeditated murder because where we get knife from, where we get weapon from. You see me? And this is a working man, we are working honest bread for him family them. You get me? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness, brothers and sisters, don't know, big up on yourself, man. You see me? And if you can't be good, be safe, be careful.
Greetings one and all, for you see the image of your device and your lion foot in the ears and eyes. And today I'm representing for osanin.com. Now if your body is not feeling right, go and check out www.osanin.com website. They've got the right cure for sure. If you've got arthritis, blood problem, liver, kidney problem, you're feeling tiredness, you got pain in the body, just link up www.osanin.com. If you got urinating problem, if you want to lose weight, you got thick phlegm on the throat, link up www.osanin.com. Now, if you got constant tiredness, you want to feel young again, you want to replenish your skin or cleanse the whole body functional system, link up www.osanin.com. Remember, your health is your wealth. Go and check them out. Or you can contact them at 07944-893-015 worldwide. Yeah, on WhatsApp, or you can call them straight. Don't leave it until it's too late. Osanin.com. All courtesy of Genesis Radio and Saxon Sound.
Lionfoot TV. Subscribe. Press the bell and click the bell.